All right, folks, here we go. Look what happened. We got a flat. After traveling 500 miles fishing the tournament, look here, son. Yeah, you see this thing right here? Look, we throwing it away. All right, we're bringing Mascalini back. We got the impact drill. Y'all made fun of me enough. I've listened. Let's get to work. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Hey, we got a jack upgrade too, baby. Yeah, come on. We've already found the culprit. Look at it right here. Probably in the sidewall. Brand new, ruined tire probably. Here we go. Oh yeah. Sometimes you got to get down here intimate with it. Let's get on the water.